sana. Yule mama mboga mwenye ako chini kabisa, yule mtu wa bonda bonda, ile 20 yake akianza kusave, hao ndio wanafanya economy inuke. Na sisi kama cooperatives tunakuambia tuko nyuma yako, tutaendelea kukushikilia, tutaendelea kukusaidia ku create employment to our youth, because SACCOs and cooperatives, we have employed so many people. The other request we are requesting is that all of us, from the top to the bottom, let's support the cooperatives. Let every shilling that comes through the county come through our SACCOs. If there is any grant that are being given to Meru County, let that money be channeled into our various cooperatives so that we can reach to that kulima mwenye ako chini kabisa. Last but not the least, we are requesting for value chain of our various products. And I know you have what it takes. You have the agriculture sector with you. And if you empower the agriculture offices, and we have the extension officers down there that can come and do the education to our people, to our farmers, on how they can harvest the most from their produce, I think Meru will be great, and it shall be greater than the way you have found it. One thing that I believe is leave something better than you met it. You've met Meru County where it is. Leave it better after 2032. Because tunakupigia kura hata 2027 to come behind you as the CEOs who support you. With those so many remarks, before nisahau, hata wale ambao wako na pesa yetu kule county na walikataa kulipa SACCOs, Baba tunakuomba waambie walipe ile pesa ya cooperative, ndiye SACCOs zetu siwe stronger than they are. Thank you so much. God bless you. Nani anasema tupigie gavana makofi na tutampea kura zetu? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you my colleagues. You Baba gavana, tukuombe pesa ilipwe. Tunakuomba pia ukue mwenye shirika. Uchague SACCO moja, ukue member, tuweze kuendanisha vizuri. Si mnataka akue member wa SACCO? Si ni sawa? Tunasema hivyo kwa sababu the SACCOs that are here, our rates, even when the bank went to 20 something, we remained at 12%. We back most of your county employees, the county assembly, na najua tunapelekana nao vizuri. What maybe Penina was saying ni the dues kwa regime yenye ilipita, kumekuwa na delays ya malipo. Pesa wakilipo mshahara, deductions zinafanywa hazikuji. Na kwa sababu tumeona wewe ni mtu wetu, tunaomba hiyo efficiency ikue tuweze kupata hiyo pesa. So it is my humble duty now to invite the chairman forum akuje atuambie machache kabla turudi kwa serikali. Bwana chairman, karibu.
Okay. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Nondo no kuona kidhalimu ikejete ntere ya na jarangu kali nkauga kwa niaba yenu tukarana ndakinya kwa gavana Kairenja na wewe ndakinya na tukomwa nteto chionde chienu chionde tukomwa nondo tukona kwambira kura to kidhalimu leo tukalija makai kile nkamuromba kini tumeshukuru sana nondo bwangu goto viterete na kwenda kachia kwao sio protocol, lakini ngaromba roda bale kobo mubisi aleko na ndakachia kwireko na ale baku akia Mungu akisimama nitafurahi. Dakayu niringerwe niruwe sana baba kwa assembly batolongamirete mantone ya cooperatives, na kama sio hawa, asante sana, kama sio hawa ngavana sijui angesaini nini, lakini walifanya kazi. Ngavana akaja akawaambia hii kitu imeshindikana kwa miaka 11, mimi nitaiweka sahihi na 20 to 30 days. Si amefanya hivyo? Makofi. Kwa sababu tunataka gavana aende mahali anaenda. Gavana ndiye aliyedia manto ya crops, na crops yetu tuena makandamia, avocado, mila, bananas, coffee na kinyeria meana no gietu diuga thirikari eku arimi baba batetherio bathithie variation mbokwenda u tutetheria no ndungwonaga tutete twathia variation makandamia na ale egembe ya tia kugura kwa 20 chakagura na 200 shillings tutekena u linge nilo eni iwe bokwenda u kwa ukuende nda kuga gavana tokeja kuela nkoloki no Antonio Mulungu na tutari na mbula ende interview via agricultural clause tombe kubi dide ya variation nekenda byomba kwendwa bwega na bwana mubishi na timu wewe nio eto dide sheria cia protect into bieto te muntu umana ale ya kurageria agekaira ndawa ka witio twekira muntu akauma na ale akeja akegura mira agatana ale akauya ina mataka leo atutatuka tungeomba sheria zitengenezwe ndio tuweze kukinga mimea yetu bana director ngakoera the closer to the bone is sweeter the meat na ndengerekia ndekwera kawari ututetherie siria sire kuma mwisho mpaka mwisho daiji turareaga last year twareaga na 60-40 na daiji society irete bwega irete and 28 shillings and 40 cents per kilo emwe shilingi and 28 na 80% ya mibaka wa bonde bwana gavana mbarete over 80% mbarete over 100 shillings kwa tunaenda mahali na kila tu ngaromba kino ndongavana ate kwenda manto cha kuiwa kawa gakuiwa na ndi arenda sande akabwera ora ngavana kwenda na bukinga kawa but what I'm saying is this bautie tumenyere ni mimera yetu kawa tukareta mbeca nyingi ngavana watutetheria this year turareire over allowed 1 billion kwa na eto gatetherio tukauma 2 kgs and that is the legacy Kolomba ugo tiga na trend ya mubishi but oba barombe mbesha tuewe tugure fertilizer tugure input mbesha ini baume kilo ijire bakinye kilo 10 hapo utakuwa umegonga leo hidia miaka ile na wakati wakwiraga ni ukwenda tukuongera kaile twamonga katutemongera leo keruja untangaza kidogo ndaigwa uga maziwa bogatia bwana Gitonga weria bwana gavana twamwere gitiga gwito twenderie kawa na ale na nandi America thai nikio tumethwa atiaja augire tuge uju ndenda bondikire buge u ndagwa kawa buge ndora no tuli agwa na ndora kawa ntaigwa bwega kawa thank you very much tutaleta hiyo.
Thank you, Chairman, for that. Toro kawa ndora. Tukari makawa? Tukari meria? Ai kwaje? Amo ngao. Kenda Meru Karabwega. Now I want to call the Director, Cooperatives Meru County, Bwana Sande. We joto kedie to the one before we go back to the other program.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Wiba bega. Tugeranirie nie guru. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Naru intugwe nene mono yeto na itukwira murungu ibwega tesa sawa. Batwe MCA beto ngayabo dalime. Tutwire kurwana bilu eje kuma 2014. Twara ayo egita yaruwa egita remunya yaruwa egita rakireito na last regime wekaura twara erema. Babwe na our excellent the governor bwa tukurukiria mbire utisa sawa na itokuga ibwega ne your excellence the governor the MCAs na aitinguge bombe ba assembly no ndwangu gira mutwiterete uni beta wa Mugambi Sande director of cooperatives all protocols observed in Kuga itwetete bwega as a county government na Meru neo the leading in cooperatives movement na the cooperative functions are totally devolved. So your excellency, functions shown the chair cooperative with yaku. We will come to your office. Our government is ready to support you and to buy bonde. Na manto jenu jaja on the bugenda ja cooperative. If we to support taga, if we to buitairangoge, we are ready to work for you, and our governor has promised and bravo kali obisina kwa we ate obisi were open ke manto cooperatives. Bere itugere manto ja validation, manto ja ikwachie ja kawa ja marigo ja makandamia ja mira tukadidi akenda kinya twina juice ya mira twina waini ya mira waini ya marigo na kinya waini ya ikwachie tisa sawa kenda into bieto bikona value binjaga na mbeche kingira gavana wira gatuchira kinya atu connect na national government nuntu wa market into bieto na ito kuga ibwega nuntu bara tukinyite batwe twebwira as county government nuntu gavana na twete staff ge department directorate ya cooperative tukabu support antu ba cooperative bara itango county barunga bara ya nabare ibwega bara ya bombe Thank gavana bwete antu bombe na baba ingi bo kushira ngoge ibwega gavana karibuni asante sana because of your good work ibwega gavana kijana hapo no tuongerere au detasi baire so no tutedia na ngogi election de kwenda tubutira gavana arambirire uju one cooperative society re kwambirie njero wethera mo bitete foundation chien ngadiria tumia ke montare je society muri garingire niwe boy bomwe ambera arenda tuongere kuma this unapost before ikija magana gatano before the end of this year. Aya number 2 na ndo baka wingo na bondikire gavana araugire ate kwenda kuiwa wamba baka wa kairinde NMB kwa ukawa kaya kaiwa na mubisi yale haja ito diretie sabe na tu adio lo kato kulia sabe kenda tuikira cameras na kenda tuikira alarm na kawa kendro ge society kaka jukabwa kaka ikwa temila society kaidi ya kawa gavana atwirite management yeu tukamethira obisine kawa kaiwa sasa wau tulenda twerwa kawa for the last 2 years tuteta that 4 million ke wamba kawa neito kwenda mbesho ikagetatia ikaura kaire gwiri kuthachire ke antu betu please tukaria nika wageto tesa sawa arapu tware kania uchu tugwatanire ni twinde tule amiru nikenda tugomba gwita gugitule amwe nitekamba tugomba kuria mire yetu na twina ngaba no mwego gutu support na ngaba na ukwenda society chetu ikura na ikwete kia oweru indedes agatonya society mwaka na ijeka na itatu nikenda kia membo sako na batu tukaranie na tuitanie nguge na murungu atweinya na twe ume bo gutranto ba ya gukuria society yetu ibwega na murungu abudalime.
Thank you director tubote temono na jibangu baka ute for the support you are giving us. From the forum side na movement utokorekia
tware roto kwa mantojo jangijo de gavana chato kareku na ngona neto beto ba sempre tubote temono kedro atere kuge antoba kinyanti roto kwa rija tutoja tu nayo ngona our host MCA ona Bukare bware aja but because mantoja forum tunajo ngori agite yoge kinene chairman wa okay ngori chairman wa no chairman operate na no tutirete ngoge nene ngamurieje honorable Mobichi ngakoria weje so that you recognize other colleagues and you give us your message nontoke dro atwe tutedro aturea kongoria to kodempejieto tokere chairman ujo na giteo giki nene. He has collected me ambera no host ya turungi kendomba kwa welcome the other leaders patukedia before twareria toko thempe turingire bwana Mobichi 1 2 3 karibu sana mheshimiwa.
Thank you very much. Our Excellency Governor wetu Isaac Mutuma Twedinkia Cooperators, atuongelee ba cooperatives. Honorable members ba assembly yetu ya Meru, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God is good and all the time. Asante. Iwega mono jitara kompeta Frederick Mubichi Kirima na arwende na ngobi ya ithatu. Ngobi mbere gavana ngo karibishe mono aja kaga Inyaki West igetuo kyakwa na woni ni MCA wa area yeje tukinyete aja na arwende na kugiro kunene mbejete na mandu jaire ngwathithenie mbejete wakaribisha gavana for the first time ukinyanga Inyaki West. Kwa hivyo karibu sana mheshimiwa gavana wetu. Hapa ni kwako, watu wa Inyaki West wanakupenda, wanakuenzi na kuheshimu, tunakungolea kofia. Wajairi Goni Inicha wa trained tourism cooperative and enterprise development in the Meru County. Na mboire ibwega mono cooperatives no tuba kwijana arwa uko wetu Inyaki West na bokeja nikenda tumba kutwa twina ngwataniro gitumi nikenda tumbo kulia Meru yetu twina ngabana obata ngabana mubangi mantu ngabana mudhikiri ngabana mchapakazi na tena ni kijana supukizi. Ndenda kubwira diuga ujo ndikwenda kwalia mono mbere ma nikenda mpomba kukaribisha all members of Meru County Assembly bejaja with your permission our excellent governor batualirie kidogo na batukelie kwa uheshimiwa wenzangu kujeni ni wakaribisha hapa kwangu kwa roho safi kwa kazi mzuri yenye tunafanyia Meru County na mseme majina yenu kwa kifupi ndio gavana wetu akimbia kwa kwingine. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana waheshimiwa wenzangu. Asanteni. Karibuni sana waheshimiwa, karibuni. Karibu mheshimiwa Kaimbo. Karibu Catherine Kamadhi, mheshimiwa Sarome Mutua, karibu. Sijui tutaanza tu ndio tuseme tu majina ndio at least kila mmoja ajulikane amefika. Tutaanza na mheshimiwa Sarome. Asante Sarome, karibu.
Kwa sana mheshimiwa Mubichi, gavana wetu na cooperative members na wetu wa Meru. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Maritu Salom Mutua. Karibu. Kairi nene lakini sawa. Ibwega Ameru ambwire onio muchamanio mbere kwaria mbere gavana. Angwira gavana wetu mutumana tume Meru na menyere ibwega Murungu agutharime. Bwana asifiwe. Gavana wetu, members of cooperative and all protocols observed. My names are Faith Bosredi na mimi ni nominated MCA. Gavana wetu, tunakushukuru sana na tumekubali kufanya kazi na wewe. Fanyia watu wa Meru kazi vizuri because tunaona Meru haina kelele na vile tunaenda tutasonga mbele. Otherwise tunakupenda.
Asante mheshimiwa Faith.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Beta wa Julius Kabira kumadhiru royene wand na member wa committee ila bwende wa Dobo ipo ya Murungu abudharime sana.
Asante mheshimiwa Kabira, mheshimiwa Catherine.
Praise God. Marieto mbeta wa Kamadhinanga na ingoretu eruare kwethira ndemo chamanio nayo. Gavana, tuko pamoja na wewe na tutafanya kazi na cooperatives. Juu najua sinasaidia. Asante.
Asante mheshimiwa Catherine, mheshimiwa Moguna.
Okay, thank you very much. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Beta wa Muguno original MCA wa Mbeu want na tu support initiative area manto wa cooperative, tuko pamoja na tuko nyuma ya gavana wetu, tunamsaidia kufanya kazi ndio Wameru waweze kusonga mbele. Asante sana.
Asante Mheshimiwa Maguna.
Asante. Your Excellency Gavana Mutuma Ntwethingia, nikiheshimu itifaki sote. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Yogeria njara mungetheria u. Ogeria ngeburingaringira mwathani kalwe. Bweretwe. Bugona matunda ya maumau. Te amendment bwene njaro. Te ngabana bwene omwero. Uwe murungu aragumwa. Ibo ya Your Excellency twina uwe tu supportete na itu supportete into bionde biro aturetera assembly. Thank you. Na abo wananchi bako bambia sagu na bori.
Thank you Mheshimiwa Nkonja. Mheshimiwa Makaimbo karibu.
Mugeni bwinde. Bwana asifiwe. Mbeta wa Mbiriti Julius Kaimbo, MC Wanambi Kinduri. Your Excellency na tongeria bonde ba cooperative na are mibwinde ibwego ntu bako yaruare okongojera rera Emeru njegera to kusienja twina ngavana triti sticker tebo loi ngavana no mwero tar to sticker igira tebo kato mukora to sticker kenda ambrat tebo ketra mbil ne koria miaka 11 mekelo kenantu ko mwanja mundo spindi yake tote kwenda kweta nereko ato bakamenya kana de maloi tote ko getera ya getawa tu to geta yeto na mathi na MCA babu barombaire Meru ni achokera re batere kwitheri ibwega.
Asante Mheshimiwa Kaimbo. Mheshimiwa Cheri.
Ibwega sana. Tulitani ngogesha mwathani. Ibwega betawa gasherio muthuri kuma nara Saudi Menti ndi member wa County Assembly ya Meru na mbuga kinyande murimi weria na kaoa. Kwa araba ubotarero wa mbesene nyani berara ndio imbetango na tobia twakwa tokore meria na marigo. Tesa sawa. Na nyande mumembo Capital Sacco na yetu Sacco ngokwera ngabana on behalf of Ekoro ibwaga igotokorokeria mbileje ya act na arua no turetere itogweretwe Ekoro itogweretwe. Thank you so much.
Asante Mheshimiwa Gacheri. Mheshimiwa Kirenya Ben.
Thank you Chairman, Your Excellency Governor na all the cooperators. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Wale wananiona mlisalimie wani. Bwana asifiwe. Mimi naitwa Kirinya Mwenda. Mimi ni mwakilishi wa vijana na nashukuru sana kuona vijana wamejipanga. Tukitoka hapa tupangane kidogo. Governor, mimi niko na mambo machache ya dakika moja. Meru County to number 5 ke contribution ya GDP Kenya kana tongabo Kenya batu to Meru to ithera to number 5 to number 5 non to bo kendo kengi governor non to bo aremi betu baraba ichuma kia na cooperators babo ndio kona iringire ni mpeta fadhali. Your Excellency the Governor, we karandi na Council of Governors bangi wina manto ya maingi sana ya wikumeria. Number 1, we are the leading county in the greatest and the largest numbers of cooperative societies actually alive and kicking in the entire country. Number 2, we are number 1 in rural economy. Non tubware mibetu unende cooperators va Your Excellency the Governor narato kare ingoterenda wa these are the movers and shakers of our economy na ntubai wo bawete economy yetu ya Meru bauma kire aremi bake yake cooperators na kuitho tonga bwetu so ninkethiria Governor kanga kuria na giteyo kinene umbe go support cooperators bana na njire yeguru sana. And I want to plead now to inkona antoba media barea to akaraya bura kwira wa ira wantiri ira mena birabiayo batu tore a Meru nonto to self sustainable nabo ndikira loy cooperators we are self sustainable ito weta tukarimeria tukethira mtu ena mayani kana wenda kunywa kawa wekirerie neriko rira katwiwatie batu twingo turi ya Meru tukaomba kureria retu twenderia retu bakuma Mount Kenya and the rest of baraba kurimeria Ameru bakaomba kurira bangiria reao reo kawa tukathia kawa getu tukauranira twingo Ameru na inyama yani nayo baraba kurima mayani na chwe industry ichiete chivivie majani quality ire iguru kinya batu tumba yo consume majani yao yetu ibo tukaomba kura as a county and as a community. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you Mheshimiwa Kirenya.
Asante Your Excellency, the Governor na all protocols observed. Malito Jakombe Tawakale, Moteli ya Kibuko, MCA Municipality 1, MC ateo kale yako ura mono atoi mwankene Your Excellency, nyuma aja municipality de bogaiti kedwa kwa Mheshimiwa Mubichi. Ambuge gintu kimweke antu barabe aja narua that initiative ire enderete ama what is happening is the best thing for the people of Meru. Nonto Ukirenya Uga and other barabaria that Meru is among the top Kimantoa cooperatives. Na dhatu narua kiratu kuenda iwe kirainya murimi okawa murimi weria na gendo kiraki umbo kurigari Your Excellency ikoja kwethuru inya municipality kiratu gwitwa town twina antu bakuthithia urimi na bene ikundi na bia urimi. In fact we do a lot of farming daily and the like. Na nalo tukona the right leadership iwe kwerirwa na tukona initiative njega iwe ongwa tukwenda ikezwe bui and under you we've seen that na ibwage gukurukia mbirire ja na arua kwegintu kya aruaja isande mantuja kuongela cooperatives na SACCOs na kwendi encourage most of our people our municipality turambiririe SACCO ya bonda chionde au bonda within municipality tumewafanyia SACCO moja na vile tutaomba chairman mwenye amesimamia cooperatives ni atukubalia tuonyeshe mwelekeo vile hao vijana wa bonda pia watakuwa part and parcel ya ile maneno ya cooperatives zile tuko nazo. Kwa hivyo Your Excellency, on top of handing on SACCOs and the like, you can be assured that we the people wale wameelectiwa to represent these people will be key to making sure that even those who need it most hata wamepata hiyo maarifa na wameingia kwa hizo SACCOs. Otherwise Antobameru ambwire tuendelee gwekanira ituendelee support our governor kenda twithura twina utongeria bubwega na kenda kwithwa kwina umili. Otherwise Mungu abariki na karibuni sana tena. Asante.
Asante Mheshimiwa Frida.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Excellency the Governor, all cooperative members, mwathani no mwega amagita jonde
na wetu mwathani amwe ume no menyo ombe ututongeria bwega na etithie Meru bwega na kinyaba utwe na kuigwa Your Excellency kuyaba gweta mandu ja agriculture kwenda kubera ndi chairman wa committee ya agriculture, livestock and fisheries support yetu benyo arabaga twenda rukirika no tuko okiria thimu akimunene will be there and will support you fully. Ibwaga na mwathani na mutharime.
Asante Mheshimiwa Mtururu. Mheshimiwa Kabura.
Antobeto Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Kita ndo mbona ndio. Alingia Yesu roe. Beta wangiresi kambura dronera. Nominate niki amaki ambas. Na na yansera ringo kwena mwesema ne yonge. Teku bangaba nare ya ngaba noko uisuira. Na anene beto ba cooperative. Ngaya bo darime kwa na chama na kodaka. Ndinda kwele wamenya manto akangeta. Oi factory kadima egento enkuona no bukotheka bukabanga manto yau oni ngweretwe ruare aba wibo weretwe keda ibo werete ari ngaba na galoe ngaba na wetara ore kana kameri ele boibo kana kameri ele kioro na ikaweta nambi
na twe muwata ta mulikia mwanga kana kau kata na maoro katotwera iko katore ng'ombe ndaga cia gaibo werete muno ruare jensi muko ndai boya sana gavana enko mena we roro kire kinyawe kida no roro nkida nkimenya twena babonde nanga yabo thari mina te atekotheka ruare yari ngenga na galo na kotheka ata mugaribisa kiani na keno nto ye ai mugari ruare ale gavana ruare na ata akinyarenge one tungo ote kolinga mbe moro one tungo Mulungu amudarime gavana wetu atotongeria funga nango sogerenya chamanio kwa nkatha awete mantwa trend de mukamete o trend ande member yo amewete kalika nendete mantwa kulema anendete manto yonde bodarimwe muntu agaya serari ambo tura mwera yo kare ingo yo kadira ande me answer ribwa ya.
Asante Mheshimiwa Grace, Mheshimiwa Sara, okay.
Okay, asante sana Chairman, His Excellency the Governor, Meru County, my colleagues, members, wanabiashara wote na watu wote. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Kwa majina naitwa Sara Gaki na Bidhairwa Day member wa Meru County Assembly na committee member wa Trade. Oni kwe yanchereri chair, I'm sorry. Akwe mochairman yoyonge to kare aju no kumenya nyagwe. Nyanda umanka chokanga wau twena musemeno yo budget. So ndauga kambeje tugwatanire na bangi na tuko pamoja na tugakuria biashara na bile yechea nuije tukuma kuraja nayo na sasa ni wakati ipite mara moja mantu jaraba kwenda tuthithiria amendment tujadithiria haraka iwezekanavyo kenda biashara yumbo kurabwega ndene Meru nontu kira kigwataira Meru no remi no biashara na inyani Bidhairwa Day murimi weria twina chairman yoyo kuona ituremete eria mono na itwendagia eria so ituige biashara na ukulima ni uti wa mgongo sana sana katika kaunti yetu ya Meru. Nimeshukuru sana chair, Mungu abariki na Mungu abariki Meru. Thank you.
Okay, asante sana Mheshimiwa Mubisi. His Excellency the Governor, colleague members, okay, His Excellency Governor wetu, colleague members ba County Assembly, biashara na tongeria ba cooperatives and all protocols observed. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Onbeto wa Frederick Burugu, MCA wa Ntwambui na bere kanchokerie ngwataniro ya Assembly na His Excellency the Governor no ntoba kanya kalaba yukitie kuona biru yo kuluka haraka nikenda twatethia cooperatives yetu cia Meru na inkomnya ishira nene irari kwa monaiseria cia national na cia our cooperatives kenda tuona kwina smooth running ya cooperatives yetu na kitanire na sheria cia national boya ki County Assembly ontoba koya kanya kau bakiwatana na Governor na itare kai na biru re kuluka bila bitiere na ntubetu kulitangui na kuendelea kuongela cooperative societies nikienda bere na tuikora si economy yetu na ntu economy idependi mno ara kwena cooperatives ni okwithira kwena wait na mbere na ingwetekia ora MC akwarasia Governor na support yuntubu na ora tuweta na mbere tuweta tukiongela cooperatives na economy yetu Meru ya akura na sana sana on the side of agriculture. Thank you very much. Mwadhani abudharime.
Asante Mheshimiwa Burugo. Huyu ni vice wangu Duncan Kangwana kutoka Maua. Sema kitu vice.
Wasana my chairman. Mbitha ndova isio. Na mbere ndendo so kinkava mno to our excellency the Governor and all the protocol observed. ngicoke nkatho muno ki ngavana wetu na inya muno na inya ki chairman na ncoke extend my appreciation to Mayau athirite etusukuma muno na mubichi ndi in day out ningwitikia obuna abwila kwithira atari munene kura kwenda kwira cooperatives betu manto ya last year tuna mubichi itwereti osukuma manto ya lakini yara makabisa watu iko cooperation ile between assembly na executive anda wireru governor mweri juele this year inyambere anga bana ndite ngabana ito amura siena ata tumbote the cooperatives aturango end do some amendment ege ya kure sainwa umeke ya sainwa ita fulani otoko na imani eu aturango end wethieni manto yau inyere akwa settled etera lakini buliteti mabadiliko yonde no murungu ibo kwe muntu omwe kwenda kutethia Meru au ande nkanire muntu atethia Meru. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Nikio tumikwenda batu tuwerua tukimenya we have a new act with a new mayor with a new governor. Okuibwa a new governor with a new act and a new mayor. No yakwethira na atwira atubwethacie atura kethira ndombo sina ndite ngavana ndasaina lakini no tuntomba etenia mbera bubwethie bokalusu kwa mebwethia ere osainwa ya mbetera mbe mbethia ata saine no murungu amureta haraka asaina nikio tumkondo bora manto ya vivekete imanto ya remete aitwethira muntu ina ngundi wili na twa cooperate aspect tukondo bora onto mukona ngavana were ndio bolitira ngono obotethia na bwe sio miani araboro anda kubwetherwa twina assembly very vibrant twina committee very vibrant ya berende kuritangwe utuku na muthenya twirende kubwethia Bwana Mayau we kuona ko onto bongo bati kwa mendwa nduite as yesterday na tukabwire tura assembly Meru nonto badu twirende witani na members ba na twirende kutetheri ngavanora cooperatives. I can only describe you as another government within Meru government because what you are doing is replicate to what Mr. Mutuma is going to do to the people of Meru. Ibwa sana murungu hapo dharime na itobo ndete na tuerende kusonjaoni. Karibu sana na asante gavana kwa kutusukuma vizuri.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Kangwana. Gavana wetu Kangwenda Kugaojo na Megambwe Mekaide chairman wa cooperative. Ndenda kuira cooperatives yoyo. Babwe kuma na Arua na weta mbere. You are in the safe hands. Na tebu inkake Meru yonde ere in the safe hands of governor na evo assembly of Meru. Tunenda kubwira watu tuli Danger Street as Meru County. Sisi ni wachapakazi. Totije kubuta nake ituje nyogoro kia bills. Totije wimbichi yake ituje nyogoro kia bills. Nenda kuga kethira kule andu bangi Meru itharimina about this time round. Iweshimiwa baba Meru County Assembly. Ingorikana kule andu baragia samoya bakari bakauga ukenda kurekebisha utongeria bwenu ubo kubuletera thina nawe iguru gwiteboka vivia benchmarking Meru Assembly of Meru ito tujura tuthithegia na arakuremete na tutiumaira katukwenda kubwira Ameru bagyo turungi au mwanyene iko make sure Meru nitete bwega na Meru no mwanka ite to the next level. Menya Meru is a champion and is a giant county in rural area. Denda kuga in the whole country, Meru eja referred as home of cooperators. Na tunenda kubwira tutina kituminyage kukanage ko Danger Street as ba Meru. Kulega kuthithia sheria iriga atuma batu tuendelea na mbere kuthwa tu number 1 na tuendelea ku achieve more for our own people to benefit as much as possible. Kintu kenge kireke gutugwiria mono katwina ngavana muthikiri, ngavana mchapakazi, ngavana weterete ngugira turetete turi legislators agaturia na tukathithia kenda tuthithia sheria. Turenda kugwira wa Meru betu batu Meru twina thina ekwithwa resources chetu ichikwenyanga nontu tutina sheria injega ile kombo tuma to protect our own resources. Turenda kugwira o tu legislators kwina kiama kwina corporate kwina committee ya agriculture kwina wonia kwa trade tourism cooperative and enterprise development na committee wingi chionde sheria ira tujete kuja kurunga machio ukona Meru yathi mbeje ikeja chionka aro tige yubu kuthangi gocho ambecha babu meibwitete you have done your part lakini batwi legislators na thai tu kutwambiritie na ngavana omwega twithithia sheria mbeche gato thingato uti muntu ukeja aja kujukia into bia Meru beta kufaindikana uome batwi Meru ene product ile chirio tugemira kauga majani avocado macadamia iria na into binge bionde bira turi maana ikwachi na karati na binge Ameru betu turenda kubwira o batwi turi atongeria ba bega ba Meru assembly na ngavana ore thai twitete kubuthithiria sheria babu bukarende buri jaina fogo bugitango gya kianto betu ndikwenda gutegita ringi kenda ngavana wetu atwariria batu turenda kwira antu bakauga ujo na ba majani na ba ubange beya kethia kwina obu kwenda kwa menderwa sheria irega atuma Meru ikarabwega batwi weshimiwa ba Meru County Assembly we are ready for that. Ngavana wetu tayari ndikwenda kwaria mono no tubwa matha ndikenda ngavana wetu atana wange ndenda kubwira babu tugwire twi baobwe na babu bugwate thirikari yetu njara nikenda tukwe tumba wiki ya Meru to the next level na tukiuga ojo batu tukaita ngoge na antu bonde na thirikari eguru na thirikari ya county na atongeria bange bonde nikenda tumba kwa Harmonize Meru na Meru mbakwithwa ikifaindikana nterechi otongeria bunde bweguru na mwanga kinya bwambiguru na function ya cooperative ifure devolved na kintu kira ifure devolved tutiatera batu kia manipulated from any other levels with our governor. Thank you very much chair na kuona unakuja nimeshukuru na choki ngado chia mwanya ki chairman Mr. Majao no tubwa bidii eku make sure alinibeto ba Meru na cooperative tubadilitie sheria ile kombo tumbo komba bomba ku govern Meru ura kwa girite ibwega mono na buthobwene gitarerega murungu abuthalime na ngai omoyo aroendelea gutethia bautwe Meru County na thirikari yetu ya governor wetu Mutuma na baubwe bwinde cooperatives. God bless you na bweta bukethanie neria tulime maziwa. Halo maziwa mupo isasawa ninkuthugania kinya batu itujite au eriene kenda tumba kuthithia to sheria tonge tura tukombote dia ria turi mbakuthari mwega. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you. Keruja, please. Michoyo. Keruja karibu. 30 seconds. Guga. 30 seconds. Niwe mwenye pesa.
Bwana asifiwe. Bala batuka ikuli anku kadana yembeta Simeon Keruja ni mbeta ndi chairman wa area. Na ngwete kia mtu onde bwana ngabana odole utemtu tina ngombe nja kwawe. Nodo te kulete area na eko union nalete. Area tuto kuchwa ore kaya mpesa itone kana. Turenda murimi wetu area on toro kulete area kwa Meru ndele union ere kitonga by the end of this year. Te tonga kia kwa area na kanywa kitonga kia kina mpesa mfuko jwa. Bibango era twinione mingi mono ke uchola murimi wetu omba kuthithia akarumia ng'ombe kule bibiega na kamere aikala bikole bia byagirite egaiteria ringi bwana gavana nyekethine tukuthithia no tubothinire tonete cia surprise beto ba ibyo ng'ombe batwiro toleta ibyo bia bitebui lakini this time twinioni na limbeto turabangire na ndito thithie kithigietu kiato akada yetwingwa lakini kile kujona by the end of August or September na Mary machini Merine by the next 2 months kiketha gikinya Mombasa na ngavana ngakwirinya gututetheria giki gutu support president na tutetherie na 100 million na nyago na yetu kwenda ongera uka 70 ka million kangi kana tumbe kuthirikiria nguyirete gayere kengi ngavana kyande gikoromba kyalimi beto bena thina muno tutere vaccine itukwenda kwitha twina vaccine direct kena na ng'ombe chetu imtaga sindano riria igitalo ngorereo. Number 2, bwana gavana itukwenda ututerie na extension officers twina baka imuno bara twina baba tukinyira limbeto bonde bomba gutangwire yagirite na betu ibaka ingavana ngwetikwa tuterie kwitha kubui twina area tete gukinya factory no tubwanjira cietu na tutena kura ciekung'ana tukwenda ngavana utuongera ngavana kuras ine na nene kende ria rumba gwikaira wakuye na murimi na ria la kinya factory ura kwagirite ndi kende ria ridari rirega na ridari na kuorete kutosha ngavana tukoromba kwe ora munatie na tuwakarani nagwe na ngo karibisha nala kwa union kwe yo kunda yo gasi bigwe mure yo igagwa yo kaige no to mona yo igagwa mena tukethole ara ene bale ukanywira kuma kirine ari kuma na gavana karibu sana ukunda karia yetu igwa kari. Number 2 na ya mwisho tuwezna farmers field day on 21st July June this year na tuina geni heshima baba inge na nyo gwitu karibisha wejo ukethwe mugeni umwe heshima kideba bangi. Thanks so much na karibu sana.
Thank you bwana Kiruja ndo wako alia 30 seconds alia 20 seconds.
Thank you chairman. Operators bonde bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na ubure bwana Yesu asifiwe. Itugege ndia yante bwana bo wiretwe na ngavana aturite rinyene tutuire miaka 14 ibo wiretwe mwoni ani anjari bo wiretu bro. Thank you so much. Oni de areje mando ya SACCOS na 30 seconds. SACCOS bwana ngavana nwirirwe we control about 30 billion economy in Meru ya sionde na aria tukare ago itwaririe twatira niente kunindi kwaria muno guthukangiria thaa no ntukumewetha mantu yangi ituwire uka kuria SACCOS yetu mwangacie few months to come usirika ndei ira tubithacia in the world the governor will be our guest ningo itigeru agethe na better time cia kwatikulithia mantu yetu katukuibwa this morning I was beyete the chairman beyete very early tuona na chairman to banga mantu kure andu bombura cia we ni onto bori excited you na muzee you angabana Davera no we are not excited we are determined to make sure that the governor succeeds so baraba ko bwani ka ni excitement ye Meru te excitement ye Meru in determination ye mbi to itagane loi in determination ye mbi e Meru. We are saying thank you so much bwana governor. We have a substantive act signed by a substantive governor. Nora we and doubt to our confirm very early in the morning the day of voting 2027. Thank you so much.
Thank you. MC. Ija twetere arohaji ina ijora geta tushoka na ande twete ya mbele kile
thank you chairman kwitike mantu ja forum tukuthiria au ndenda tugwata mpe tweta mwana wetu tawe chief of staff daktari Mbijiwe enda ombo kama tata ya program kumau tugwate mpe tuikite na turingero kemi kenda tumuita the podium akamata 1 2 3 tena
karibu wega sana MC. Asante sana Your Excellency the Governor of Meru, for the Governor of Meru, Reverend Motumanto Idinkia, honorable members of the County Assembly, Batongerotni host MCA, Mheshimiwa Mubichi Kirima, chairman wa leaders wa cooperators, Bwana Sau, Barabangi officers Bangi, the director, Bwana Sandi, cooperators, ando mobo, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Murungu no mwega, amagita jonde. Kapote gweretwe, Pogweretwe ndaigua maziwa kahawa hey na nembere mpenderea igua slogan uibui mbita kwa Julius BJ Chief of Staff umunene wetu ngabana slogan nini ibui na ndia mbongere kangi igua maziwa pesa kahawa dola na ndeto akinya kauntene turali na slogan nirale o kabati kaende na ndeitwa achenjirie ngemu na ndikate kuenda huko na ndenda uga Meru uga tujenge pamoja sawa na ndo leo union kona wanakarotea katibu tuithagie inyong uga ndauga Meru uga tujenge pamoja na ndo babu ibothomi ndauga Meru yajaere building together sawa aya Meru kwa ndomo mbona batego kianjaranga abate kwenda Meru tujenga angeriere mwisho Meru na ndini slogan yetu ya Meru ojo cooperators bakugwatanira na tugwatanira turi Meru twinde ya amwe sawa ibwega sana na timu ile nginya cooperators no ndunyenda kai cooperators ngabana gwinya bwe cooperators babega na uga nande tubugure karia tukanengera wakili mwenda kanto kubugure karia as cooperators nyabwe asante sana mbuge migambo emekai sana mbere nkalibisha governor wetu ambao turonchira the act wa mbere ibwega sana ndo bakumira na kuija kwa mantu ja cooperatives aja niombe chaire na kile antu bonde ba Meru umenyekedo tiki cooperative movement then nuguitera na inya sana nonto mbecha na ndeireta through cooperative movement through SACCOS so it's good kwithenda na cooperatives wajaire kwewo kwa ragiaja one of the CEOs auga mantu jandire mbecha kire remittances kuma ge county weta na ara sakoni kankwire na mbere antu ba Meru bonde ntatwere misara erere chererete meri ithatu it's very clear monka lai to kwaria ndaikeje na actually monka kiumia kithiru ngaba no Meru atenera ando nyira siringi emwe ke mwandi ke muritigo ge nyomo wa Meru bonde ngiri 5 not even one na number 2 ira yakaleta nyuma mono ni tukugira deductions kedha ande na loni kwa banki ya cooperative kana ro sako ya capital sako kana centenary sako ikedha itekunenkanerua kambugi yake iria unene wetu wa finance iria ali instructor and release sire itigeri itia mweri yethatu urerera ire meri 5 ntetwe une history yarekerie ire iterekeretwe bwana CEO izonere mweri yethatu na kuma uchi onde igeta na area so gutio alitingoge wenerando ndene ofisi yeu na alitete ngogeu na very strenuous budget bando atiramberia kulitanguge na yawe so is important ona is important kiriego ntukou tumbekwira tukikamenyaga sawa na nande nono ntugavana noena ku embrace anto bonde kanisa sionde Catholic MCK Muslim Hindu nonditorombitherwe no kanisa a Kristo na barabari ya bonde otuwa Muslim community uraria na ndetwe na Muislamu omwao wetagwa halo haji lakini nywaga akethani na migambo hiri thatu ake akurukiau kenda no omba kwithira ku balance rutere ro Islamu na ate aria siasa akari mantu ya cooperators lakini wenu komeanwege kapirika iwe tete omba kuringithwa akagarukira iguru lakini ango mwira akagarukira iguru ali ya cooperators karibu mheshimiwa Arwaji imuchore okwa nyakethire gita ringi twatura siasa ne tuteta twira ini emwe na ndeja mwanga ndia kauga Njulio Nerwe aitia mutene akagita atonya mururine agekira roji atonya kithakene akaethia na nenti jana atakuwa kareke dei soka agirende utundu. Karibu sana mheshimiwa Arwaji. His Excellency the Governor of Meru, the Very Reverend Mutumanto Dinkia, allow me, His Excellency, to identify with the protocols established. Governor, Betekeria Babendivia announcement. The announcement in Kwere Iboega non to bago mpakanya go sabu dirikari ne ku the county spokesman. Governor, I want to assure you I won't let you down. Naona nkizembea kidogo piga mi teke. I'll be very ready. I'll say thank you. Number 2. Betekeria nintangaza yake na arua gutekwaria. Ukethra kore muntu omero. Ukuthugania His Excellency the Governor Mutumanto Idhinkia is holding brief for anybody. Mark this day and time. You are in for a very rude shock. It is just a declaration. But mark this day today. And get it from Alhaji Mwendia, the spokesman of the county. Oreo kodogania kaonderete muntu brief. You are in for a very, very rude shock. Thank you so much. His Excellency, nintekwaria ndienda ugiokera antobaba menyatre culture ya handouts. Ereto passe te through miaka ere culture ya kontingrendi antobeto morungu abombete bale na uwezo. Culture ya kuene kantoba beggars. Twaincorporate in the county of Meru culture ya kwaraga topakori na njara. Turenda kuromba morungu aturekere. Twera morungu aturekere. Na karoreka twena mau kaire au turare tugwita. Ngavana njara itwe ine morungu techa kore yake. Njara iji chakorita ngoge. Na ndenda gukwera ukyabore magwa uri otonga bore magwa. Therefore, aria ange tokarona muntu na Meru eje keukia togataraga gekerumi kia Meru. Muntu uri okeja reduce our people. Tukona araganjara batoraga barete njara kamuchere kakuota kiro. Na kirato namba 9 na kenge namba 11. Muntu morungu arogwata mukomokonja neria. Amwekera kadatine kare kaira merimo. Merimo ere me korera na iria inge. Atwa ukeria ntegorwa Kenya. Na ntegorwa Meru. Ntekwaria ni monane. Kantanga zambugia tere. Antoi bakari tangoge. There is no shortcut to work. Antoanga mbuti nenkera anto kandamia bakande. Antoanga mbuti gorera anto mabokando bakande. Gorera anto kaoga bakande. Bakere idhibia ngombe bamenye korethia ngombe. Because His Excellency anto baraga ikorema. Mbetekeria mbetenda uni memory rain. Egi itarera muranganto baro minungu mono. Thirikare teterere. Anto bakega mokamagoro inungu bamberia kuthura njeshi. Njeshi athura wa muragajo gitaga nungu. Egi itareu His Excellency. Getaroke mwekerete tebataraishe baraba kwenda kurema. Gwe getaroke nge keja kere nyuma kena mbini chakori tambiroro. Antobeto ibaba kadura imbiba kwenda. Kedra igetaroke kori tambiroro kana igetaroke je tana fertilizer. Modiane antobeto cooperators. ngekarante goro kagita kamwe nde muislamu ende birato arareta ntobaire areka Baraba aja areka Jesu aja aroria nto mbora keria Jesu kana mbora keria Baraba mbora keria Baraba bora arabu ingete ite nyomba na ite bora arage buingete bora dia kuronkorokia ng'ombe nonto Baraba omwe kana mbora keria Jesu ojo muntu autabro tiajara aringithia ngutuke waje twakora 2000 years ago anto barauga turekeria Baraba. The choice is yours. Bore enda kurekerua Baraba kana Jesu ore okuga Baraba no keria njara ore okuga rekerua Jesu no keria njara ore okuga na ndei turaretero Baraba na Jesu are aja waringithia ngutuke wokora hakuna litakalotujia hila linalotokana na Mwenyezi na mikono yetu otio ntoboga atoejera tiga Barabu umenya na ngoge chianjara chiae na ngoge chianjara chiae His Excellency kuthiria ende kole atkaura inyumare ndendo kiro kianjara na maumauire inge turare acho muito na karuterungameni ndarike emwe mantren mero anio don antoba utotera uma muito na completely na tokama kwa tuchoka muito na kaire antoba urongameni mero anio don yara bolerongameni borongameni jaujo maumau jara jo muito na de chairman wao na bai tayari gochoka muito na in a moment notice tokaigwa mutuma kuringithio twirende tulego karia jeria reri ko mutuma wanto ithinkia Murungu arogwato kuonekanira Murungu arogwato kutharimaga mutumo chiogoro taga kinya mwekoro kathekote kio kuthekera watega no kathekote kio kuthekera ojorine wega bwangai no tugi bwangai wakunda roje rokairio wakunda roje rokandawa no kemenyaga netu karetia assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Aya barakatuh. Ukiwa matangazo ateraria siasa aloaji matangazo no ukari atuthiri announcement na kureikia nke tukiseta iroaja kenda Your Excellency the Governor kenda umba ku twanivira play kieje ankwenda kuira na bwantu banyaki West Mheshimiwa Mubichikirema akomake history na County Assembly ya Meru non tupwa kujukia record 20 days na kuthithia amendment ya cooperatives ya Meru ira yethiriterio Meru no yari ambere kuthithia act Meru County Cooperatives Act no yari ambere ndene ya Kenya nuendene ntuko iwinkai na eremete ntuko inyingi atari terengo gendongi na timu yawe no getuniko getatia iko getatia tebo kamuthithia nyabwe. Asante sana. Nandika nyaka nkajukia this moment. Ndio baba. Asante. Ngapana ni baba lakini nandete slogan yetu itugere Meru. Meru. Eria na ndinya ninkongera ria ngapana akugura. No. So ngakaribisha members bakaiba assembly kana actually members ba assembly na then leadership ya cooperative ora bakubanganitie ngweke side area akalisa naambia cooperators wanakaa side, members of the assembly wanakaa side. Okay. So I'm told Majao apande hapa juu. Kwanza kabisa gavana ndiye atapanda kwanza Majao, alafu atakufuatilia Majao akiwa na chairman. Your Excellency the Governor. Chairman, the other chairman.
Asante sana. Chairman.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. To kinyakagite na karaga utulete tiaja the climax. Nekenda tuonywa ni mbili aja na tuonywa ni governor inko na ngugini mbega na keta ni mbega tugene kali ni mbega kinyamugore na kuona leo na wakati kugita hizi na legitwa ndio na jakanko yukia na ile kazi inaendelea. Nimechukua makasi nimepatia our governor, na hiyo kazi ya kutengeneza mengine ni yeye. Naona vile anatengeneza, anatoa hiyo kitu neja nohori That's great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a great day for Meru County and Meru Cooperative Movement. We are officially launching the Meru County Cooperative Societies Act, Amendment Act 2025, and we hereby launch it today in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Cooperators, go ye therefore and make wealth for our county, for our land, for our movement. Sawa? Asante. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. It is a time for our governor to be able to address us.
Asante viongozi wetu wa cooperative movement za Meru, societies zote, waheshimiwa wote, led by our chairman of the Meru County Assembly, chairman of the committee ya trade, tourism and cooperative, leadership ya board and the secretariat, na rimiba Meru kana ene mbecha cia Meru. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Kabo tiraigora ndauga bwega ndabuita ene otonga bwa Meru hote witikiwe mwene otonga no ntu mbolele tioriari iwe mwene otonga ene otonga bwa Meru. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Leo ni sikukuu. I'll go straight to give my official speech, and then I'll add a few things so that we can go to other things. I know many of us tunatakiwa kurundi kukamua, tunatakiwa kurundi kufanya kazi zingine kule nyumbani, and I'm also expected to welcome His Excellency the Deputy President, na ndio nilichelewa bando nikimungoja. So I want to take very short time here so that we can go to other assignments and obligations that are waiting for us. Fellow citizens, distinguished guests, members and leaders of our esteemed cooperative societies, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure and pride and deep satisfaction to stand before you today on this landmark occasion, the official launch of the Meru County Cooperative Societies Amendment Act 2025. This is not just another legal milestone, it is a bold declaration that Meru is once again leading from the front. Cooperatives are fully devolved function, and that is precisely why we have chosen to anchor our aspirations in a law-tailored to our local realities. I'm proud to announce that Meru is the first county in Kenya to enact such a comprehensive legislative framework for cooperatives in Kenya. We do not arrive here by coincidence. Meru is historically the home of cooperatives. Our people have long embraced the spirit of coming together, of working jointly for mutual gain. Today, we boast of over 464 registered cooperative societies. More than 3/4 of all adult Meru residents belong to one cooperative or another. This is a powerful reflection of our collective resolve and belief in shared prosperity. It is both humbling and inspiring that all our 364 plus active cooperative societies, 464 plus active cooperative societies are represented in this forum today. Some have sent their dedicated officials, others their passionate members, and some are presented by both. This speaks volumes of the unity, purpose, and drive that characterizes the cooperative movement in Meru. I take this opportunity to salute every one of you. I salute you, ladies and gentlemen. As your governor, I fully appreciate the vital role of county government in nurturing and sustaining the cooperative sector. Our government is duty-bound to ensure that all societies operate in full compliance with the law. We identify viable areas for new cooperative and guide their formation. We encourage and support the steady growth and development of societies. Our government keeps track of societies, offering technical support to help them thrive. We register new societies and also handle the registration of their audited accounts to ensure transparency and accountability. When disputes arise, and they do, we step in to arbitrate fairly and impartially. This launch is not just ceremonial, it is a declaration of purpose. Today, I officially launch the Meru County Cooperative Society Amendment Act 2025. Tunaweza piga makofi hapo. Through this act, we commit to deepen our support for cooperatives and working more closely with you to unlock the full potential of our movement. I will be engaging the County Assembly with a view to enhance budgetary allocation to the Directorate of Cooperatives. This will help us scale up our efforts and provide more robust services to our societies. We shall continue holding consultative forums to listen, learn, and shape policy that speaks directly to the needs of our cooperatives. As your governor, I am available and accessible for this noble cause. I have also instructed my officers, Akina Sande, to adhere fully to the expectation and requirement of the Directorate of Cooperatives. Let no effort be spared in ensuring we create a conducive environment for societies to grow, multiply, and deliver benefits to their members. Equally important, we must prioritize education. Our people must understand the true value and potential of cooperatives. My officers must maintain regular contact with societies to carry out civic education and build awareness about cooperative benefits and responsibilities. Finally, we must join hands in pursuing value addition. It is not enough to produce. We must add value to what we produce, process locally, brand smartly, and market widely. Yes, you can clap. That is the surest way to ensure our farmers and producers reap more from their toil. Let us walk this journey together. The Meru cooperative movement is a pillar of our economy, a fountain of unity, and a gateway to prosperity. I reaffirm my administration's full commitment to studying with you, working with you, and growing with you. May God bless our cooperatives, may God bless Meru, and may God bless Kenya. Asante. Yo ambirire mbesa itekarago ntokwena kelele. Yo ne ata kwirire. No. Yo ambirire nje kuringwa kelele antobau batege ya mbeta. Mbera nje kuringwa kelele mukuru na mwekuru na twana ombere imbibe na bio. Tanto ba very. Meru tutege otonga tukiringa kelele. Meru tutege otonga tutena ngwataniro. Meru tutege otonga tutena dhiri. Mbecha sieta gonto anto bakiri ki no kuona obukiri nende ane ombecha iregere anto ba. Ne ombecha iregere anto ba bakarinde mbere kwa tukwenarua. Karomba to embrace unity. Chediera to launch narua ne ko offer clause ya arbitration in case there is a dispute between membership ya ba society Seattle, between a society and the other, between the society members and the management, ne ko offer arbitration iwe to alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Tugete iko tambe sia memba beto kotini. Tukenganga na no na inya kuchindorongi. Ne to embrace alternative dispute resolution. Tukaudia antobarabomba gotwariria nikenda tutigate gita kotini tugete yambe sia society chietu. Na ninku instruct okay there are na case county government yeneo na any cooperative society here case yu kinyayo ne batire kurua ntaira eka resolved outside court nikenda to save both best as a cooperative society na to save best as a government yeto ya Meru. Barani hata kukwenda orai gwa thirikari ko ambithia ntubayo ngoge yeto ta thirikari te obo ambithia ni obwira ora mamba yari expensive ni obwira ora mamba yari ta sara ni obwira ora mamba yari ta mpado ni obwira ora mamba yate yegita ira tubatire kwithira twitumaira gukama gutumaira kuthwaniria kawa gutumira kuthwaniria mira gutumira kuthwaniria mantu ya ikwacie irio tugutung'ang'anite kotini tukiwa thirikari kona tukonia cooperative MBC ura thirikari ina inya no utikumenya thirikari ri inya tu mwana mukuru akira atwana bukamenya ini mukuru onjeje kana mukuru akira mwekuru ukamenya ini mukuru onjeje no utikumenya wi mukuru and we know you are Boyairi nakankuthiria ta cooperative societies netwirio tonga bwetu buijwa. Every time I hear a society management or membership bakirira nonto products yawe kuijwa and muno kiri cooperative societies ya kawa nteto uchi kaira koro ekoruru bo nene o yauran kuibu amba bangombe bakiya nkoro ekwe kaiboruru nande amba bawibero ntuko tiao ya kuiya meru ikothira kana ni hata bukwenda amba baune bero ntuko tiao cia kuiya meru na kura watchmen baratu ithaira tuikite batukarerio tonga bwetu ntuko tiao ikwethia atia ikothira o yaura nderere president wetu tutimenya kuria meru anto bakiura wa Egembe North tukarira tukaria after biumia biiri tukarira ringi tukaua muntu aukua yumia bira bingi ng'ombe ikaiywa tukarira iteme yako a routine ilazima tuite chini yu cooperators ni adabu kwenda saiko yu kwa thongi muno saiko yu ite thongi nte kwenda kwaria muno buranko bwithia na ministry ya cooperatives ya national ende lazima ndi ngavana Meru ngwe kwani ukaria ntoba Meru no kario tonga bora mwathani atutharimite nabuo njuzi ndauririe munene wetu president gethira tuichie nchuma tuite tukabiliane na maitha yaya oturira nara ambira ari ngavana kaichie nchuma ngwite Kenya kukaria kaua getu atembite kithia tuichie nchuma ae tukariria ng'ombe nara Egembe North na tukaririe kinya kaua getu kara tukurima ndene ndi ni sawa na kwirwaria rware orwa kwithira kaua ikakaraswe ni armed government officers na atwe kinyatwe arimi bakawa na managers tugeka kawa katuma muntu akwa factory yetu ara au ntorene kawa ga kinyankunia ira to kumenya ika attract mwamba kabote komeka kawa kana ka kwa attract mwamba tewe etikia kawa nkuni thano mwamba ejira oro wa muntu kana no ke yiro inyako ibabu kumenya amba bakwenu kethira kuyamba be na boundaries ikana be yaira no ntu ibo kumenya the local economy so nke ya kuibwa please kawa kakuijwa ndene factory chietu tokebwethia bora tokobwethia rutere rwa thirikari na ministry ya cooperative na bokemenya mutana wetu PS Kiburi is our son na mbere ndi bokethie PS wa waziri Oparanya inthaka yetu ya kuuma Merwa and is equally pained with what is happening kiri cooperative societies chietu muno wamba so kindly can request the managers the board is here those cooperative societies to ensure that kawa kakinya kilo ira ambaba kuiya mbere tureta tha mechanism cia kuiria amba nontu amba lazima to aba iria kuiya na mbaito bera ibareke kuiye iba kumekere cooperative movement to kabe empower kana bote baita nora mbete ichwawa tu nora tutemanya ko register kundi kyamba in Meru and no be bare a rehabilitated this cooperative society na to aba register bonga be rehabilitated ito kuria a biashara baraba keya ira product chietu na product chietu sie value added kwe na aggregator be na interest ya kuyukia cold store chietu ira tubwithi tie muno rutererwa buri mantu ya ikwatie ibo kwendo kwe na aggregator beji teba tuyukiria product chietu bageta nacio bagatwenderia bei njea oni nkobenda ninde ngavana ababwe ende ligirei wena disclaimer ende utonga bwa Meru twibukaria na inyera mwathani atwete twibukaria atia isawa na bwenda ke punguze nini punguze sauti kidogo sauti ya ngavana ke batire wetherere urukiani neki inyera mwathani atwete ni utwakaria nio utonga bwetu na county assembly ya Meru ni boya baraba tuire ko take advantage of our vulnerability igi tarenu ndendo bwira rikuthira baraba tuire kugura mario yetu ndarene na rutererwa Southiment kugura na mbecha yojo acieta mbecha inyanya imbecha cia nthiburu igi tare ore kwethia atia rikuthira na kinya baraba kura ikwachie baraba kura mira baraba kura all the value chains tieto na mbecha itekuo igi tare kuthira twitite wikira sheria yokaria imera bieto na okaria produce cietu nikenda to dictate price ya bila tukwendia produce cietu ikaritwe ni sheria ya Meru County Assembly ibo itekeria kana tutie muntu age ya kaurora kwenda to itekeria tokarie roya rwetu na sheria tuakaria chairman wa cooperative chairman wa agriculture ya mheshimiwa Ntururu tukawatanira na jumbe bangi ba Meru County Assembly tuona nara traders kana biashara bakwenda take advantage of our produce yetu cia Meru tugekira sheria ikoinga you can imagine for example mira ndene ya Meru County toyoka ciangirie mwe maoa ya lori matoketie mira ida Mombasa kana na ukonge egi ukuma Mombasa lori ekariswa ngiri 70 are gotorwa kwena muntu okabutika yellow akere asiambua 50 kana maneri are geta kwenderwa kioskine ne zaindi bua ya ngiri 18 mire ekariswa maitadha to in other counties batu ene kutura roya kutieri ngiri imwe ibo kwenda to inga Meru ene Meru ibo kwenda to inga Meru tubokaria menya ko inga Meru na sheria ni ubokaria babwe ni ukaria producers ni kenda kethera ni kwachie tukaua ikwachie sheria yo eri te sheria murimi ni sheria ya baraba kuira kethera ni irio tukaua sheria yo eri tau te sheria murimi ni sheria baraba yite kwethia ata kura kenda bata take advantage of our vulnerability turi arimi ba Meru, turi cooperators ba Meru. Kankwenda kuthiria njuzi turare na Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria ofisini kwa the economic advisor wa president, and a wonderful suggestions and a wonderful products ile igateithia cooperative movement chetu tukabuliongira very soon. Kwina KCC plant ya national government yerie Kangeta ndamwira plant yera nte kuona yaka kwibwe kubwithie Kiriki na ara Kangeta nontu iria riterambiria ukuma kinya kethere itokurimeria rutererwa Nyambene, but before national government etumira no twarie na arimi Chairman Kiruja Meru Dairy tukabonenkera that plant national government ikabonenkera tukethira twina another outlet ende ni kaibwa gonto kwina kelele kansto kana onto inkomenya au ni okiabwe yiteo tukentati ni kelele kire societies chietu kwethira kwina issues no nto iteura ni twarie na corona ekro baba ume barabe kuo tukalisolve our issues. Kutena a lot of wrangles, kutena a lot of cases, kutena manto ya maingi yara yatuma twathukana na tuturia cooperatives chietu na member kotini. Itokwaria na governor wa Nairobi, governor wa Mombasa, governor ba especially major cities cia Kenya nikenda product gikwache kia Meru no kumenya kakitwawa kinya Nairobi supermarket twithire twina warehouse era product cia Meru igatirimani chua utokatua nyani cia Meru tugaiki kwase bia Meru irio bia Meru barabonde bakienda kura a specific product yumete Meru kwa tuika kuyobetite kubiithira in either in Nairobi city, either in Mombasa city, either in Nakuru city, and so on and so forth. Ntenda kwaria muno yoyo na mbirire mwaria cionthe atitura nendikantire au kenda mbumba kuyuria kiroto kira ndina kio na Meru yetu. Mwathani abutharime sana.
Thank you Governor, with a lot of humility. Nitauliza ulimeni kwa podium. Secretary ilikuwa na zawadi kupokeze ndio tuweze kumalizia. Chairman please. Tunaweza tusongesha hii podium tutolewe ndio picha ziweze kutu. Chairman Movichi, tunaweza join na watu. Chairman wa trade. Thank you. Reverend mwenye alikuwa tuombe tukaribie ndio tuweze. Nitauliza tusimame kidogo. Tutulie kidogo tu. Bishop Muredhi yako wapi? Tutulie kidogo dakika moja ndio tuweze kumaliza. Vote of thanks just dakika moja na tusikawie